Hello kids of class first. I am Salini Pathak, your English teacher. Children, now I am going to tell about nouns. Kids, what is noun? Noun is the name of person, animals, place or thing. Look at the following pictures and read the naming words for people. Boy, girl, nurse, teacher, painter, man, woman, doctor, postman, carpenter are people. Next, look at the following pictures and read the naming words for animals. Animals are nouns. Lion, tiger, elephant, wolf, deer, dog, camel, goat, sheep, mouse, horse, bull, tortoise, fish, frog are animals. Look at the following pictures and read the naming words for places. Places: bank, school, hospital, hotel, cinema, shop, post office, library, restaurant, park, factory, airports, swimming pool, beauty parlor, church, gymnasium, railway station, stadium, museum, and zoo are places and are nouns. Look at the following pictures and read naming words for things. These are things. Book, computer, calculator, refrigerator, washing machine, television, book, pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener, clock, newspaper, fan, pitcher, spoon, balloon, car, bulb, lamp, and comb are things, and these are nouns. Come on kids, now we will do some exercises related to this chapter. You have in this exercise pick out the nouns in the following sentences and write them into 4 groups of people, animals, places or things. You have to make 4 columns in this exercise. First column people, second column animals, third column place, fourth column things. People column you will write persons or people. Animals column you will write animals. Place column you will write place. Things column you will write things. So first column is Mohan is intelligent. Who is Mohan? Mohan is a person. So we will write the column of people. Second, the goat is a domestic animal. What is goat? Goat is a animal. We will write it in the column of animals. Third, this book is new. What is book? Book is a thing. So we will write it the column of things. Fourth, I go to school daily. What is school? School is a place. So we will write it the column of place. 5. This knife is very sharp. What is knife? Knife is thing. So we will write it the column of things. 6. The tiger is a wild animal. What is tiger? Tiger is wild animal. So we will write it the column of animals. Your pen writes well. Pen is noun. And what is pen? Pen is a thing. So we will write it on the column of things. She is writing a letter. What is letter? Letter is a noun and a thing. So we will write it the column of things. We go to a nearby park daily. What is park? Park is a place. So we will write it now in the column of place. He was not present in the classroom. What is classroom? Classroom is the place. So we will write in the column of place. Next, circle the noun which does not belong to the group. First, eye, ear, nose, food and mouth. Eye, ear, nose and mouth are body parts. But food does not belong to the group. So, circle the food. Second, papaya, apple, curd, mango, banana. Papaya, apple, mango, banana are fruits. And curd does not belong to the group. So, circle it. Teacher, nurse, doctor, brother, advocate. Teacher, nurse, doctor, advocate are our helpers. What brother is? A relation. So, circle the brother. Rose, lily, lotus, tree, jasmine. Rose, lily, lotus, jasmine are name of flowers. What tree does not belong to the group? So circle the tree. Potato, brinjal, guava, cabbage, cauliflower. Potato, brinjal, cabbage, cauliflower are vegetables. But guava is a fruit. And fruit does not belong to the group. So circle the guava. 6. Father, mother, brother, sister and neighbor. Father, mother, brother and sisters are our family members. What never does not belong to the group because he is not our family member. 7. Agra, Kanpur, city, Mathura, Lucknow. Agra, Kanpur, Mathura, Lucknow are the name of city. And in this group, city does not belong to the group. 8. Trouser, plastic, sari, skirt, shirt. Trouser, sari, skirt, shirt are clothes. But plastic is not cloth. So does not belong to the group. Circle the plastic. 9. Milk, tea, pot, coffee and water. Milk, tea, coffee, water are drinks. But pot does not belong to the group. So circle the pot. 10. Deer, camel, flower, goat, sheep. Deer, camel, goat, sheep are animals. But flower does not belong to the group. So circle the flower. Exercise C. Write down the names of the following. Number 1, 5 things in the kitchen. Number 2, 5 things in the classroom. 5 things in a doctor's clinic. 5 things in a park, 5 things in a restaurant, 5 things obtained from a tree, 5 things dairy product, 5 spices, 5 wild animals, 5 domestic animals, 5 young ones of animals. Write on your copy and clear. Bye bye. Stay home, stay healthy.